Okay, I'll do my best with this, considering that I'm not working with graph paper, right? So I'll try and graph as best I can. So first it says reflect 11, negative 18. 11, negative 18. Okay, so it's going to be somewhere down here, right? 11, negative 18. First, reflect it across the x-axis. So now I'm up to here. And this is approximate, right? So I'm after reflection, right? If this is A, then this is A prime, which is at 11, right? 18. And then reflect it across the y-axis, right? So then I'm going to come across the y-axis, right? Which is going to be up here. And this is A double prime, which is at 11, negative 11, 18. So the answer to part A is negative 11, 18. Okay, now let's try B. Let me erase some of these points, right? And let's see what they're asking us to do for this. Translate 11, negative 18, so 11, so we're back to the original one. Translate that 5 units to the right. 5 units to the right. So they're increasing x by 5, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So here. And 3 units down, which, whoa, it's far down there. So anyway, they're increasing the x by 5, right? And they're going 3 units down, which is they're subtracting 3 to the y. So this would come out to be 16, negative 21 for the final point for B. And again, it just doesn't fit on my graph.